Welcome back, everybody. Today's an exciting day. I'll be doing an unboxing from Love41 on one of their brand new bags, backpacks, crossbody. It's kind of everything. It's called the Sling Backpack. So here's my box. Let's open it up. Yeah, Love41 reached out and I was like, yes, I'm very curious. I always want to see what you're doing. So thank you guys for sending me this bag. Okay, here we go. There's my packaging form. Okay, here we are. When this bag arrived, I put it in my office home studio, and the aroma of the bag like filled the room. Isn't there like a leather candle smell? I'm so surprised. Hold on. I did not know they were going to do that. So I think they said they were sending me a chestnut. And they sent me tobacco. This is cute. So this is a Sling Backpack, but from the front it really reads like a backpack. But then look at the back. What is this? Just one strap from the top here to the bottom right corner. If you're looking at the bag, the right corner. Wow. That's so funny, it's in tobacco. I could have sworn they said chestnut. I know nobody cares about that, but there's been this ongoing thing that everyone knows I'm a tobacco girl, but there's not always options to review tobacco bags for me. So thanks, girls. That's really sweet of you. So let's just open it up. We have a front pocket here. And there is some depth to this one. We have maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches there. Pigskin lining on one side. And then 2 zippers. So you can go in the middle. We're all going on one side. Nice. And then you can open it here. Empty it out. After I film, these rooms are just like full of extra trash. Okay, wow, that's a really nice size backpack. Okay, we got one pocket and a keeper. There it is. Very helpful. And then this side is nothing, but it's pigskin lined. Why does this feel like, I don't know, it doesn't seem small to me. I guess when they said Sling Backpack, I was thinking like fanny pack, you know? But this is pretty good. So let's look at the dimensions. The depth at the bottom here is 3.5 inches. And then this is 1.5 inches. It is 13 tall, make sure I'm in frame, by 11 wide. And the pocket here in the front, let me look off my phone, is 8 inches wide by 7 high. A great size pouch. Keep fast access items there. And then let's not forget, actually, in the back here, there's a pocket. There's a long pocket here. Okay, so that goes to the base of the bag. Let me open up this strap. An infinity loop. Very nice. This is about 1 inch wide. Oh, the pads are removable. Are we experiencing this? That I've seen this on other bags from them, but I haven't experienced it yet. Has anyone experienced this before? You could leave a comment below. What do you like? Not like? It is padded. That's kind of nice. It's removable. Obviously, it can go up and down the strap. So I want to try it on. I want to fill it up and try it on. I'm so excited it's tobacco. Tobacco, it's just, you guys don't know. If you've never experienced tobacco from Saddleback or Love41, you're just missing out. It smells amazing. It has, it does scratch. Let's go on the bottom. Let's do a little scratcheroo right there. It does scratch. It's got like a variation in colors. You can see like some parts are darker and some are lighter. It has a velvet touch. I really like the silhouette. This is more of that classic round look we've been seeing on some backpacks nowadays, but this is a really nice take on it. Tassels on the zippers, YKK zippers. Love41 has a 41-year warranty, which is just excessive and perfect. I wanted to share, it weighs 2 pounds, 2.2 pounds empty. So keep that in mind, but it's not really that big. Can you see the size like next to me? It's not too big, but it doesn't read like there's that mini backpack. I could go grab it actually. Maybe I'll do that. But the mini backpack reads more like a purse for kids. This isn't, I'm not getting that vibe from this one. And then the price, as far as I know, is undetermined because I'm getting this a little early. So I can leave that in the info box below. Let me quick load it up with some things. And then also I'm going to grab the mini backpack for a size comparison. Okay, before I show you what I put in here, I wanted to compare it to the mini backpack, which is right here. Let me zip it up. This is from Love41. A friend gave it to me as a gift, and I'm kind of keeping it for baby June so that she can use it when she's older. So here is the mini backpack. Really adorable. This is in dark coffee brown, front pouch, back pouch. Really adorable. And then this obviously is like a purse backpack, but kids can use it, I think. So let's hold these two up side by side. Why did I put a computer in here? My arm's so heavy, or the back's so heavy. Okay, here they are side by side. So you can see this is like really a good backpack size. What this could really use though is a top handle, and I know it's not there. I can hold it from the top D-ring, but I'm struggling a little bit with this demo. So here they are in height comparison. Just total different looks, but I think I'm just really caught off guard that this really is not reading to me like purse size. So I'm so tempted to try it on. Should I just put it on, guys? Let's just put it on. I don't know if I'll need to adjust this. How do I put it on? Okay, so I know I'm a little out of frame here, but I wanted you to have a close-up of kind of what it looks like. This was tricky to put on because it's my first time, but I'm wearing it a little higher and then under my armpit here. And the trick is you kind of want to put the bag from your left shoulder over to your right, because I went right to left and I was like, where am I? What's going on? This one shoulder pad is really helpful. And then it kind of wears on a slant like this. I don't know how much you can see. I'll get more photos on my Instagram, the perfect leather bag. But yeah, this is just a different feel, but I understand why it's kind of like freeing when you don't have two straps. So to take off, I did that more smooth than I did the other way. Okay, you want to see what's inside? Can we do it? Let me sit down. All right, let me just show you how I filled up the backpack. I was mentioning it was really heavy because I put a computer in here. I don't normally travel with a computer, but good news, guys. Your Microsoft Surface Book, let's see how I'll hold this for you, can fit just fine. Lots of room to spare on the top and the sides. Not an issue at all. Some bags are like a tight squeeze, but this is very generous for like a 13-inch or a Microsoft book. I did have to use a pouch, and the pouch is for like pens, lip gloss, chapstick, because there's not a lot of internal storage. The storage that's in the main bag I used for my cell phone, and that fit just fine. back here. It's not a molded pocket, it's more of just a piece of leather, but my phone does have a case on it and it fit just fine. And then I've been showing this in a lot of videos. I have my day planner in here, a moleskin, and key fob. Thank you for the key fob, that really worked out. And then in the front pocket, it kind of is more like a pouch. So I have hand sanitizer and it's a ziploc bag, trifold wallet, and another backup wallet. And that's it for the front. It wasn't filled to the brim. You could put hats, gloves, scarf in there. You could put a water bottle. I'd be curious to see if people use this as like a diaper bag. I'm not sure I will, but I just like looking at it. It's like a good, simple bag. I'm not, as you saw, I was kind of figuring out the crossbody thing, so I think that would take me some time to get really used to throwing it on quickly, but I'm sure you guys will figure it out faster than I did. But one thing that was helping me with the crossbody was really adjusting this strap quite a bit. Give or take a couple inches here or there, because I think you want to get it to be like a nice snug fit so the bag wears close to your body. You can put the pad right on the shoulder. I don't think this is one that you would want the strap to be really loose on you, because I feel like it didn't feel as comfortable that way. So you want it to be a snug fit. Oh, you know what? I forgot to use this backpack or this pocket back here. Maybe I'd put masks or maybe my cell phone, so it would be comfortable wearing. I don't know, it's cute. Let me know what you think. Are you guys gonna pick up one? Who else out there is just a die-hard tobacco fan that it just makes their day when they see it? It's such a beautiful leather. Hey everyone, so I've had a chance to use this bag for a day and I just wanted to kind of update you on how I'm wearing it. I think earlier I was trying it out and I made the strap too loose, and now I've made it quite smaller and tighter. So this is what it looks like, a little closer to my body, and I think this is the right way to wear it. You just want it close to you, so you're going to need to adjust it for your size and height, and so that's kind of what that looks like. Here's where I put the shoulder strap. It's really easy to move though where you want it. I have it on my shoulder. You might want it more in the front. And then I have it over my chest as opposed to under. That was what was comfortable for me. And then I want to readjust and show you how to wear it two other ways. So without adjusting the length at all, I took it off crossbody and now I'm just wearing it over my shoulder. And to be honest, this is how I'd wear this bag all the time. The crossbody does work if you want to be hands-free, but do you remember in high school where you just wore your backpack with one strap because you're super cool? This is that situation. Very comfortable. I didn't adjust the strap, so I have this kind of extra length down here to kind of just press down on. This is very easy to wear. Here's the back again. I really like this way. You know, just scoop it up off the ground, put it on, and go to school. Okay, we're not going to school. What was my other thought with this? You can shorten it again, and so that the on your shoulder is even smaller. But before I do that, I wanted to show you there was a third way, which would be maybe if you were in an area or country you didn't feel the most safe in, and you could wear it on the front of you. Can you see this? Sometimes in airports, I've seen myself wearing my bag like this, mainly because I can get in and out really quick, hands-free, passports, pacifiers, and the like. So that's a third option. Let me shorten this really quick to show you over my shoulder one more time on a shorter setting. I adjusted it so it's on a shorter setting, and I'm going to put it over my shoulder so it's even more snug. Again, very comfortable, very nice. Yeah. How do you think you'll wear it? I think there's options, which is nice, but this is my preference. This is my home run, and I didn't discover it until today. Okay, so thanks again for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, The Perfect Leather Bag, and be sure to subscribe here on YouTube. See you later, guys. Bye.